Are you curious about which browser is better for privacy? Today, we are comparing Hardened Firefox and LibreWolf. Both browsers focus on keeping your online activity private. They offer features that help protect your data and block trackers, but they go about it in different ways. Let's start with Hardened Firefox. This is a version of the popular Firefox browser. It comes with extra privacy settings and tweaks. These changes help make your browsing experience safer. You can customize it to fit your needs. However, it may require some technical know how to set up properly. Now, let's talk about LibreWolf. This browser is based on Firefox too, but it comes pre configured for privacy. It's ready to use right out of the box. LibreWolf blocks ads and trackers automatically. So you don't have to do much to enjoy a secure browsing experience. It's great for users who want privacy without the hassle of tweaking settings. Now, let's look at the key differences. Hardened Firefox gives you flexibility. You can change settings as you wish. LibreWolf, on the other hand, offers simplicity. It's designed for those who want privacy without the extra work. When it comes to features, both browsers have strong tools. They both support extensions and have good security options. However, LibreWolf has more built-in protections, making it easier for beginners. Pricing is straightforward. Both browsers are free to download and use, no hidden fees or subscriptions. In the end, if you enjoy customizing and tweaking your browser, Hardened Firefox is a good choice. But if you want a simple, ready to use option, LibreWolf is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights.